Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We are told to simplify square root of 98 minus square root of 50 all over square root of 32. So this is a problem involving solve. So in order to solve this problem, we're going to expand 98, 50 and 32 as a product of its factors. But 98 has many factors combining themselves to give 98. But we're going to look at a combination that has one of the numbers as a perfect square. Remember, a perfect square is a number whose square root is a whole number. Okay, so when we are bringing out the expansion of this, we are going to check, does it have a perfect square among the factors? Okay, so let's look at how to solve this. Let's expand this. First of all, we are going to pick out 98. Just want to make it simple for us to understand. So if we pick out 98, there are many combinations that can give us 98. The first one is 1 multiplied by 98 will give us 98, right? Another is 2 multiplied by 49 will also give us 98. And we also have 7 multiplied by 14. This will also give us 98. So let's look at 50. 1 multiplied by 50 will give us 50. 2 multiplied by 25 will give us 50. And also 5 multiplied by 10 will give us 50. So these are combinations that can give us 50. Okay. We also have for 32. 1 multiplied by 32 will give us 32. 2 multiplied by 16 will give us 32. And 4 multiplied by 8 will give us 32. But among these combinations, we are going to look at a combination that has one of the numbers as a perfect square. 98 is not a perfect square, so we cannot use this first combination. What about 49? Square root of 49 is 7. That means 49 is a perfect square, which means we can use this combination here. Okay, if you look at 50, 50 is not a perfect square. The square root of 50 is not a whole number. But the square root of 25 is a whole number. So we can use this combination here for 50. And to save our time, 16 is a perfect square because the square root of 16 is 4. So we can also use this combination. So we are going to replace these values we have here with these three combinations. Okay, so let's get that done. So we have square root of, instead of having 98, we are going to have 2 multiplied by 49 minus, instead of having square root of 50, we are going to have square root of 2 multiplied by 25 all over. In place of square root of 32, we are going to have square root of 2 multiplied by 16. So we have been able to expand these initial numbers. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to bring out the square root of this perfect square outside the square root. So square root of 49 is 7. So we are going to have 7 root 2 minus square root of 25 is 5. So we are going to have 5 root 2 all over square root of 16 is 4. So bringing it out, we are going to have 4 root 2. Now we have the same roots. Okay, so at this point we can subtract. So we have 7 root 2 minus 5 root 2. 7 minus 5 is going to give us 2. So we have 2 root 2 all over 4 root 2. So at this point, square root can cancel out square root. So we cancel them out. Therefore we have 2 all over 4. So breaking this down, 2 here will give us 1 and 2 here will give us 2. So our final answer is 1 all over 2. This becomes the answer to this question. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends and follow for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.